Today we are harvesting blackberry leaves. And I'm only going to be picking enough for 1 quart jar of dried blackberry leaf. And that's because we simply use it for medicinal purposes. Let me explain. If you have diarrhea, blackberry leaves are very beneficial. It will help clear that up quite rapidly. They're also beneficial for issues with your mouth, such as mouth ulcers, mouth sores, sore gums, sore throats. You can make like a tea and like gargle with it, or even just drink it. The longer you hold it in your mouth, the more relief you'll get. So we're going to be picking blackberry leaves to dry for tea. I'm picking the younger leaves because they're not as prickly as the older ones. As they get bigger, they tend to be more thorny. So if you drink too much of it though, it will be constipating. So gotta keep that in mind. So they're very high in vitamin C, lots of antioxidants, good stuff. They're high in iron and tannins. It's quite astringent. When you drink the tea, it's a little bitter. You can sweeten it. Blackberry leaves also have antimicrobial properties. The blackberries can also be used topically. You can make a salve with them, and they are really good with skin irritations and psoriasis. Now, I generally use red clover for skin irritations and psoriasis. Blackberry is easier to come by where I'm at than the red clover, but I really do like the red clover. I'm just gonna take all the leaves that I collect today, go pop them into my dehydrator. But you just want to dry them until they're crinkly dry, like they'll fall apart if you rustle your fingers together dry. When it's time to make it, you're simply going to take about a teaspoon of the leaves, put them in whatever kind of container you like. This is my favorite. Just going to put a couple. Then I'm going to add about a cup of water to that. And then it'll just steep for about 5 minutes. And since it can be constipating, you wouldn't want to have more than probably 3 servings a day. And since blackberry leaves are plentiful, this is the time to go do this. A very short video I just wanted to share so you guys could get out and get some blackberry leaves for yourselves. That's all I've got for today. So until next time, see ya.